writers, there have been books. They exist for the young and the old, the intellectuals and the dreamers, for the rich and for the poor. Books know no boundaries. They open our minds to the possibilities of tomorrow and remind us of the realities of today. Books have survived so long and will continue to survive due to their openness to change. Books do not fear change. They embrace it. Every new medium ultimately manages to enhance books. People have used books to make radio shows, movies, and television shows. The internet even gave us a quicker, easier way to obtain them. Though the ideas or information in books may become outdated, books themselves will never be old-fashioned. With every obstacle they face, books find a way to overcome. Also, unlike television or the internet, books don't depend on electricity or a signal. They will never die or crash. Books will always be there for us when we need them. To quote the author John Green, "Books are the ultimate dumpies. Put them down and they'll wait for you forever. Pay attention to them and they'll always love you back." Books give way to the imagination, letting our minds conjure up entire worlds. They give us the opportunity to share ideas and opinions, allow us to discover new truths, and expand our knowledge on an infinite amount of subjects. Their resilient nature will allow them to continue adapting far into the future. For as long as there are readers and writers, there will be books. Good job.